So my first joke was about the time I went to the Social Security office to get a new Social Security card. And I found out in the government records that I was legally white. When I was born, the nurse looked at my white mom and checked the box Caucasian. So I had been white for like 25 years. Wow. And this old black lady was like, do you want to change it? And I was like, hell yeah, let's get this party started. Oh, man. Long story short, when I get outside, this actually happened. I drove out the parking lot and I got pulled over.
Really?
I said, officer, I've been black for 12 minutes. Y'all don't mess around.
That's a great story. That's a great story.
My style of stand-up really is storytelling.
I like stories too. I'm big on stories just because they come from such a real place. And then I veer off. I take an exit to like a lie.
Hard left.
Yeah, it's hard left.
I love awkward moments though. Yeah. Like for me, real life awkward moments are the ones.
The perfect moment of emotion for me is when you're sad, you're crying, and then something funny happens and you can't hold the laugh. Yeah. Like during COVID, my grandmother passed away. She was old. She was like maybe close to 90, but she was at the funeral home and they kept queuing up the wrong music. Like they queued up like a R&B song. No. And then the funniest moment, like my dad's crying, I'm sitting next to him, and he's like, "Don't bury me here." I started laughing. I go, "What?" What was your first show? Did you go like
Tuesday night open mic at the Laugh Factory, and then I brought some friends.
You used to wait in line?
I used to wait in line like 6 hours. When he let me bring all my friends, I thought I was great. Yeah. And then the very next week, I did it in front of strangers, same set, and the reality hit. Well, what's the worst experience you've had?
Go ahead.
I've done like a show at a laundromat where people were like washing clothes. They were not there for comedy.
Laundromat comedy?
Laundromat. You have those moments.
Yeah.
It's like,
Makes you better.
Yeah,
Makes you stronger.
It really does.
What was it like when we performed at Thorne? How'd that feel?
That was amazing.
Coming back here to do some comedy.
Even though I didn't do well academically at Oxy, like we are standing on stage at Oxy, packed house with the president there. I'm doing something right in life.
I was tripping out, Martin Luther King Jr. was on that stage. You know what I'm saying? Like, I saw Angela Davis when we were freshmen on that stage. Like, that stage has seen so many amazing people.
When you're in college, you don't have a grasp and understand when somebody says, "Hey, enjoy it.
Enjoy it.
It's gonna be the best 4 years of your life."
You don't get it.
You don't get it.
I want to go tell this kid right now. I was walking in the quad. Just grabbed him like, listen.
Hey.
Don't ever leave here.
Enjoy it.
This is the best it gets.
Exactly. Bro, stay another year. Stay here.
Trying to give advice to any Oxy students that might want to be stand-up comics.
I would say to do it because you love it and you know that you're going to regret it if you don't. You just got to start going to open mics.
I went to like over 300 mics my first year.
There's no substitute for hard work. And this is one of those genres where like you got to put the time in on stage. You got to find the mics. You got to do the 3 minutes, 4 minutes, drive to San Diego. That's how crazy you are. Like, I'll drive down there for 3 hours and do 5 minutes because I need these 5 minutes.
Just start early. Like, start as early as possible because know that you're probably going to be this 10 years and nothing happens.
Right. They say that's how long it takes to find your voice.
Yeah, exactly. So it's like once you think that, it takes a lot of pressure off. Like, for me, it was like I knew I could do it because I realized it's one of the only things I've ever done where I was like, I could not get paid and I'm still okay with doing this.
I would say respect it as an art form, and not everyone can do it. Make sure you're funny first, and then follow your dreams.
The hardest part is like just staying true to yourself.
I agree.
Make it work for you. Go Oxy.
Go Oxy.
Go Oxy.